Good morning, good day, good afternoon, whenever you're watching. I am riding down to Atlanta, baby. I put my music on, got my Starbucks in hand. Let's go. So as you can see, I got to the store and I'm all excited because all the newness is here. Island Papaya in that summer luminary packaging is cute. And then you have the She is Radiant, which is Sunshine and Daydream from last year. Pink Shores and all the newness is here, y'all. And that purple soap, that's actually not fresh cut lilac, that's actually tulip. I didn't get it though, but the honeysuckle and peach, you have the pink, not the pink, what's that? The sugar lemonade that's back, fresh fall morning. Fresh cut lilac is on that front, Pink Shores. And I was like, you know what? Go ahead and get your crate and rack up and do what you got to do, because the haul is what y'all going to see next. Fresh lemon waves, very, very nice, very clean. Paradise Cove, and I'm just doing my Thug Vizzle. The very, very nice store, Cumberland Mall. I'm just showing the run-of-the-mill, the normal, just a nice, big, beautiful store, y'all. And then it was such an in and out trip that I'm like, I'm done already. I impressed and surprised myself that I had to stop by Cammy Cakes, which is legendary in Atlanta. Got me 2 cupcakes, got my Starbucks. Time to hit the road. Y'all, 3 hours and 10 minutes later, I was back home. All right. All right. So if you saw that walkthrough, I was just there for candles. If you want body, I just showed the overview of the store because it's big, it's beautiful. You have to go to Lenox for the test store for the body care. Wasn't interested in that. I can for what I can for, and let's kick it off with Lemon Waves. Let me just give you the scent notes. Lemon Waves is summer citrus, which is that lemon. You have an orange, vanilla blossom, and seaside breeze. This is a clean, crisp lemon. Like, I'm getting that with the like lemon pine salt without the pine, y'all. Without the pine, let's be clear. But it's a clean, beach, breezy lemon. A lot of this spring stuff is geared towards lemon, but they all give you something different. So I got 2. One to burn and review, and if it's that girl, then just go ahead and grab another one. The regular stores get it. That's my theory. And I'm sitting here. The more I whiff this candle, I'm getting kitchen lemon, like in that kitchen lemon hand soap. But like times an ocean wave, nonetheless, I like it. And just for old time's sake, turquoise waters. Turquoise waters is always a beautiful scent. The wavy lid, not sure why these are $29, but nonetheless, I have one. And this gives you Coastal Waves, Sparkling Bergamot, Sun-Drenched Musk. Y'all know this has been around for years, but I really like the scent. So every now and then, I'll sprinkle one in there, just to have like on a nice spring summer day. Living downstairs, I keep the windows up. I like that. And then another thing, I got 2 of Pink Shores. Pink Shores, I really, really wanted in my heart of hearts to be pink, orchid pink, midnight, orchid midnight pink. I'll show y'all the picture. It's not that. No. Candied Island Berries, Soft Rosy Dunes, Lemon Sugar, Ocean Mist. Immediately, I get that raspberry from whipped raspberry vanilla times a beachy feel. I'm getting raspberry vanilla time warm ocean breeze. Nonetheless, I'm not mad at it. Again, this is one of these wavy lids for $29. Again, we ain't getting into that because I don't make the product, don't understand it. But nonetheless, I got 2 of those. It's soft. It's like a girly beach summer soft that I know this will do well in my beauty room. Again, my concept is to buy one, review it. If you like it, then you have one on backup. Future sales, grab another. Then again, I feel like I'm getting the rosiness like in pink lilac vanilla. Because of the raspberry, the soft rosy dunes, plus the lemon, this could be a mashup of all 3. But I feel in my heart of hearts, this is going to be a good one. So moving on to Paradise Cove. Yes, yes, yes. I got two. This was one of the ones I was super, super excited about. Scent notes, Seaside Sandalwood. Y'all know how I feel about sandalwood. Eucalyptus leaves and soft orange zest. Orange zest makes up this one. This is clean. This is beachy. I have nothing to say about it, except y'all know that there was body care years ago that matched this. The beachy sandalwood, just like in warm ocean breeze, stands out in this. So my thing is, will that orange zest make a difference? I don't think the orange zest will make a difference, but I think the eucalyptus leaves will make a difference. Nonetheless, your girl got two. Now, mind you, on the table, you saw the Mother's Day color run with fresh lilac, fresh cut lilac. You saw the fresh spring morning. There's a couple of repackages that I did not touch and don't really have to have them for package purposes. Just like I used to get all the generations of strawberry pound cake until I got tired of it. So I stopped quote unquote collecting those because I don't want to collect no more. I want to burn. So a lot of them, y'all, I did not touch. What I'm showing y'all is what I liked on Cole. So it's what I picked up. But I think this on bowl. But I got it for review purpose anyway because you cannot tell me this black cherry seltzer is not black cherry fruit pop from last year. I got it because I want to do a mashup. And sweet black cherries, fizzy seltzer water, and canned sugar. It just screams black cherry fruit pop from last year. Maybe a little stronger on cold throw. But I don't mind taking something back because y'all ain't gooping the children. You ain't gooping me for my money just to say it's packaging. We ain't doing that no more. That's why these prices going up because they know I still won't buy it. But I ain't doing that no more. And I don't want y'all to do that either. Now, let me say this. The black cherry scent in that I'm loving. It's not that medicinal black cherry that, you know, sometimes those batches could vary with black cherry Merlot, or sometimes it smells like children's cough syrup. I'm loving that. But I want y'all to understand what I'm saying. I feel like it's the black cherry fruit pop, but stronger. So moving on to, I picked this up for my mom. I love you, Mom. This is pink lemonade. I've only had this in the tester candles. And when I did my single wick Saturday appreciation all last week, and I had 1, 2, 3. I had 3 going out here in my open concept. Baby, I was blown away. But the reason why I didn't OD on this because I have so much pink watermelon from last season that I feel like when you start burning them and mashing them, and even with the raspberry mimosa, they're all going to come out to the same thing. So you have sweet strawberry puree, acai berries, fresh lemon sugar crystals, which is making up pink lemonade. Nonetheless, it's a beautiful scent. And it's a strong thrower, just like pink watermelon. So if you like pink watermelon, go ahead and get this. I'm going to pair this up with my mom. This is for her. I think I'll probably get me one later, but whatever. Out of all the things I could have picked up at a test store, because my goal was to pick up what I did not have access to, I still went ahead and got me a fresh bamboo. Y'all, I have my first generation fresh bamboo from 2008 over there. I have the second from 2018, and I got this one just to have. I know actual factual, if comes sass, because I do see a lot of this in my store, I'm going to grab a couple because the freshness, this is another one that'll auto eliminate in your house that will reset and refresh everything. Sweet bamboo, lush jasmine, wild grasses. I no longer put like 3 wicks in the bathroom because my bathrooms don't have windows where you have that extra ventilation. Single wicks do amazing in there. If I can find some of these in a single, that'll be an amazing bathroom spa-like scent. Or like if you just want to give yourself like a spa-like retreat in your bedroom, if that makes sense. But I can tell you, I normally burn that out here, and it does the damn thing throughout the whole house. In this beautiful packaging, it's giving me Mother's Day. It's serving Mother's Day. It's serving brunch. It's serving women's empowerment. The artwork on it, this is the sugar lemonade. I only got one because I have like 2 from last year, burned through one. It dudded out in the middle. So these are one of these sweet ones where if you do your first burn for 4 hours, knock it down to 2 or 3 the second. Fresh lemon juice, sugar crystals, crushed ice. Remember, I've named off 4 different things down there that have lemon to it. Now, versus the pink lemonade, this is straight pure lemon. Yeah, this is like lemon head candy with that little hint of sour lemon to it. I had again had that from last year. Loved it. Let's talk about this. This iced lemon pound cake. This is not even giving me sweet lemon cake that Walmart and Sam's Club sells sliced, because those are amazing as well with the glaze on top. I stick by what I say. The Intimates in the blue and white package that's been sitting out at the grocery store a couple of days, that lemon loaf, or Starbucks lemon loaf. Nonetheless, I still have hopes for it. I still have hopes for it because if the volume is turned down like lemon cake pop, back to the store you go. Lemon is such a hard scent to turn the volume down on. Look beside me, because I made a grandma's lemon pound cake candle last year. Look at what my customers said about that candle. Lemon is so hard to mess up, so why is it being toned down? I don't know. But again, we're not judging just yet, because I'm going to come back with a detailed one on that, because I ain't going to believe these people played us again with a lemon cake. I picked out one of my arch nemesis that I think is going to be an arch nemesis, and I got one. I got one for a reason. The honeysuckle and peach spritz. Here's the tea. We know the body care is coming out on this, right? Here's the tea. You know, there was a tea and peach body care on Summer Sass. The peach that's in this is giving me that peach that's in peach Bellini. You all know in the middle of peach Bellini, it gets like a sour, gummy candy peach going on that after a while, I just can't take it. That's also the peach that was in peach Prosecco. Peach sugar cone was the only one that burned straight through with the peach and the sweetness of the sugar cone. Peach Prosecco, the sugary note was in the beginning, and after that, it got lost. And I'll be damned if I don't smell that assertive peach in this. The honeysuckle is there, but it's playing third fiddle. It's not even playing second to my nose. You have honeysuckle bloom, juicy peach, and orange zest. The orange and the peach, I could see the honeysuckle is toned down. I would prefer if the honeysuckle volume was turned up and the peach is second. But when you're making candles, it's very hard to dance around peach. Nonetheless, I only got one because I think this is going to do that peach Bellini thing. So, if so, back to the Sneiko. My heater just turned on, so I'm going to talk a little louder. Last but not least, I have Blue Sky Breeze, a.k.a. a version of Blue Orchid Sky from years ago. If you had that, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Morning Spring Air, Fresh Violet Petals, Crisp Gala Apple. I get a little bit of the apple, but the violet is first, and then the spring air, and then the apple would be like third. It also says with English ivy. So I am picking up a little bit of ivy. Nonetheless, it's a complex scent, but I think it'll be amazing. So if this is like Blue Orchid Sky, I don't need any more. However, I feel like I'm going to like this one. So I got one. If it's serving, then, you know, we just grab a couple more. So I had 2 wicks. I got 2 wicks. 2 single wigs, Warm Ocean Breeze and Waikiki, and this packaging has already shown up to stores. And I got the Ice Dragon Fruit Tea. I just got the 2 that I like. Had some rewards for those. Speaking of rewards, this is it's a 3rd haul video coming up with the online with the men's stuff. So stay tuned for that. And then to go with the honeysuckle peach candle, I picked up the Peach Blossom hand soap, which this actually matches something else they have over there, but I did not want it. And the Pineapple Prosecco and those single wicks had in here so lit that I did not get the soap last spring in the spring picnic launch, but I got it this time right here. So listen, all in all, that's how you go to the A and blow a check. Oh, I also stopped by House of Hoop and got me 2 pair of Jordan 1s. So my trip was worth it. That was a beautiful Friday. I hope your Friday was amazing, because as you can see, mine was. Don't worry about my total, baby. Just know I got everything I came for. I needed, I wanted. I'm going to get these reviews popping. And I'm going to see y'all on the next video. Bye, y'all. So my nosy ass neighbor, if you watching, she let you come back probably because it's cold out there. If it was me, I'd lift your ass out there. Get on my nerve. This is the part of YouTube y'all don't see. We don't never had no pants on. And we be hungry.